how to pay a Verizon bill online. So here's what you can do. You can either use the My Verizon app or go to their website, and you have to log in with your username and password. After you have logged in, you tap on Bill or Pay Bill on the home screen or menu. Choose your payment amount, either full, partial, or other, and you will also have to choose a payment method. You can either use a saved payment method or add a new one, such as credit or debit card, bank account, and you will also be given other options. You will need to pick a payment date. You can either do it now or schedule it for later. Review your payment details. You want to double check everything before submitting. Afterwards, you just click on submit. You will hit that pay button and you will get a receipt or email confirmation that you did indeed pay your bill. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.